Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahwa Auly Sifatillah. I'm from class TBI 5B. Okay, this video was made to fulfill the final assignment for the English Coursebook Analysis course with Ms. Royani Afriani as the lecturer. I will discuss the result of my analysis of the book English for Nusantara for class 9. The factor I analyzed was the language skills in this book. Okay, the language skills. The four basic language skills are listening skills, writing skills, speaking skills, and reading skills. These language skills are conversation abilities that allow you to express yourself clearly and precisely. The next is English for Nusantara. This book has 5 chapters with 3 units in each chapters. There are 6 language skills in this book, namely listening, speaking, reading, viewing, writing, and representing. Listening features a variety of spoken text in both monologue and dialogue form. Speaking features a variety of listening model text, language focus, and key vocabulary. Reading features a variety of written text. Viewing displays phenomena in the form of image, diagrams, tables, infographics, and others. Writing features written text that serve as model for writing, and representing helps learner to present ideas in English. Okay, the next is chapter 1. In chapter 1, there are no speaking and presenting skills. Listening skills are found in units 1 and 3, where in unit 1, students listen to monologues and dialogues for specific information about Bekantan, and in unit 3, students listen to a dialogue for specific information about birds. Reading is found in units 2 and 3, where in unit 2, students read descriptive text for specific information about orangutan and gorilla, and in unit 3, students read descriptive text for specific information about generasi. Viewing is only in unit 2, which is view the detailed information about orangutan, and writing is only in unit 3, where students write a report text about birds. Okay, the next is chapter 2. In chapter 2, there are no presenting skills. Listening skills are found in unit 1, where students listen to dialogue for specific information about going to a national park. Speaking skills is also found in unit 1, where students say specific information based on the situation given. Reading is found in unit 2 and 3, where students recount text for specific information about holiday experience. In unit 3, students read recount text for specific information about experience. Viewing is only in unit 2, where students view photos with caption for specific information, and writing is only in unit 3, when students write sentence based on recount text, write a recount text, and write a short poem. Okay, the next is chapter 3. In chapter 3, there are no speaking and viewing skills. Listening is in unit 1, where students listen to a narrative sequence of a story. Reading is in unit 2 and 3, where students read narrative text, and writing is in unit 3, where students write a sequence of events in story, write a short poem, and presenting is in unit 1, where students write sentence based on a picture using was and where. The next is chapter 4. Okay, in chapter 4, all 6 skills are included. Listening skills are in unit 1, where students listen to monologues and dialogues for specific information about upcycling. Speaking skills is also in unit 1, when students describe some pictures. Reading is in unit 2 and 3, where in Unit 2, students read comics and a short description for specific information about beloved gods. And in Unit 3, students read descriptive text about an event or specific information about a charity shop. Viewing is also in Unit 2 and 3, where in Unit 2 and 3, students read comics and a short description for specific information about beloved gods. And writing is in Unit 3, where students write a descriptive text, write a short poem, and presenting is in Unit 1, where students create something new from a used material and describe it using adjective learned. Okay, the last chapter is chapter 5. In chapter 5, there is no presenting skills, where in listening skills is in Unit 1, where students listen to dialogue for specific information about how to use the internet, and listen to a monologue for specific information about how to make a pocketbook. Speaking is also in Unit 1, where students practicing conversation about how to search in internet, and reading is in Unit 2 and 3, where students reading procedural text and infographics for specific information. Students also reading a procedural text for specific information about spotting fake news. Viewing is in Unit 1, 2, and 3, where students analyzing infographic for specific information about filtering news. And writing is only in Unit 3, where students write a procedural text about how to be an expert checker. Okay, the last is conclusion. Okay, from me, the skill that is rarely used in this book is presenting skills. There are only 2 chapters that have it, in the chapter 3 and chapter 4, and then there is the speaking skill, which only 3 chapters have, namely chapter 2, 4, and 5. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.